Thank you for joining me, everyone. This is Rachel Doe back with another video. I am an actor and entertainer currently based in Tokyo. This is the Hilton Odawara Resort and Spa Resort Amenities video. I also made a more detailed room tour of this Japanese Western Deluxe room. You can find the link to that down in the description. I am only here for one night at the Hilton Odawara, and I wish I was here for longer because there is so much to do here. I really couldn't get to it all. I couldn't even get to filming it all. Check-in was 3 and check-out is noon, which is so nice. I'm gonna head down to the lounge again to have a nice little coffee, and then I'll check out and head back to the pools because you can use the pools before or after you check out. I've enjoyed every Hilton property I've stayed at, but this is one where I actually would love to be invited back just so I could experience everything on a better weather day. So I've experienced the Ocean Lounge. It's not technically an executive lounge, but it's kind of in the place of one. I do get that lounge access for free by being a Hilton Diamond member. If there's one thing I don't recommend here, it's paying for that lounge. I think it was over 6,000 yen a day per person. I don't think you'll get that value from it, and you can honestly spend less than that in the hotel gift shop for some snacks and drinks. But there is an espresso machine in there. I'm probably gonna grab an espresso before I head back to Tokyo. Massage, facials, and I think nail services too. I was even gonna book a massage, but honestly I just ran out of time. There's also a hot stone spa I didn't even realize until last night, so I didn't get to that either. The huge draw of this property is the pools. So there's a ton of pools in there. You can't bring your technology to the central areas, obviously not taking it into the sauna. So I couldn't get a ton of footage, but there's an outdoor pool, there's a main central indoor pool with lots of water features. There's kind of like a little alcove area too that also has water features. There's these chairs that you lay in with a jacuzzi setting. I'm definitely gonna sit in those after I check out today. There's also the amusement zone downstairs. You can get tokens or pay with 100 yen. There is a bowling alley, karaoke or karaoke, and a kids zone. Of course, I didn't film in the kids zone, but it is there as well. There's also a driving range, mini golf, there's a whole wedding facility here, so this would be a beautiful place to hold a wedding. I also had the breakfast buffet today that was included, and they brought around fresh croissants for people. This was the most vegetarian options I've seen at a Japanese buffet too. There were Japanese dishes, Western dishes. There was quite a spread of Odawara local dishes. My favorite thing on the buffet was the homemade tofu. So delicious. I got some tofu with some grated ginger, green onions, soy sauce. I love it. it's really good allergen labeling on the buffet as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, if you want to see more of my tourism content, please check out my channel. There is a ton of content already uploaded from all over Florida, Las Vegas, Hawaii, the Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, Italy, and Japan, of course. And there's even more Japan content to come, so you definitely want to check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.